Winter is definitely approaching us at a rapid pace, and that's why it's time for us to deal a bit with winter care products. And there is something new from SONAX, new in quotation marks, that I wanted to show you in this video, namely a new scent variant of the windshield De-Icer and the Antifreeze+Clear View concentrate. Now, as I said, we need to limit it a bit again because there have always been different scent variants of SONAX Antifreeze+Clear View, or simply of the windshield washer concentrate. I'm currently thinking of the Havana Love. I believe it was released 2 or 3 years ago. Very popular among many of you, and rightly so. A very pleasant, I would say, exotic fruit mix. Then I believe this year or last year, the Lemon Rocks was released over there. I believe this year it was a very pleasant, citrusy or lemon cake-like scent, I would call it, that does not go in the direction of an unpleasant toilet smell. So that one is also very pleasant. Those were always the summer scents, and there have always been different variants for the winter scents as well. What I personally liked very, very much was the one up front. What is it called? The Ice Fresh, which smells a bit like menthol or peppermint candy. Then also very popular among some of you is the Winter Beast, or the not so well known, not always available, but still very, very pleasant cedar scent Usand. And now the so-called Sweet Home scent comes into play, which is now available as a concentrate from Antifrost+Klar. And I am still suffering from it. It has been over a year now that I have been suffering from it. And it is absolutely hard for me. Feel free to check out our famous scent videos here on the channel. Then you'll know how hard it is for me. I still have this slight loss of smell, but Yusan, yes, I can smell that it is a scent that goes in a direction of gingerbread, speculoos, mulled wine, and cinnamon. SONAX itself writes spicy winter scent on the front. And from my perspective, this is by far the coolest scent that SONAX has ever released for the Antifreeze+Clear View. That is, for the winter windshield washer concentrate. Although concentrate is always in quotation marks, this here is ready to use, which means you can pour it directly into the windshield washer system. Yes, I know my girlfriend's car definitely needs a bit of love in the engine compartment again. But to be honest, it's just a workhorse, a pack mule. That's just how it is. What I wanted to mention at this point is that this is really just a new scent variant. The Antifreeze+Clear View concentrate remains as it is. And that's a good thing because there are products or brands that occasionally come up with new formulations. And one can say, yes, it's cool. When these brands evolve, when they take on some criticism, they received. But with SONAX Antifreeze+Clear View, I personally have to say, I think it's good that SONAX doesn't change it because from my personal perspective, it's one of the best, if not the best, windshield washer concentrate. Sorry, my voice is a bit strained. What is available on the market, whether we are talking about summer mixtures or winter mixtures, is simply good when it comes to cleaning performance and streak-free drying. And you can also feel free to look at many, many, many independent tests that exist. For them, I believe they will all come to the same conclusion, namely first, that I am too clumsy to fill this in cleanly without spilling a little. But that is also something that SONAX pays attention to, something SONAX tests to ensure that nothing gets damaged. And secondly, that it is simply a fantastically good windshield washer concentrate that now comes with this absolutely enchanting scent. And to be honest, I don't need to say much more about it. We don't need to drag the video out any longer. 2001, because the same applies to the De-Icer. This is the same De-Icer we already know from SONAX, which works reliably and now comes in this scent variant. Unfortunately, I don't have any ice yet to show and present it to you here, but I believe we have already made a handful of videos about the product that you can feel free to check out on the channel. When it comes to the windshield De-Icer, I have to say, it may not be the most brutally effective windshield De-Icer, but it is probably the one that is the safest, because with windshield De-Icers, material safety is also something that must be taken into account. Especially wiper rubbers, especially seals here at the edge, especially plastics that are lying down there. And if you use overly aggressive agents, it can happen that such materials are attacked here or, let's say, stressed over time. And then the plastics down there can definitely fade faster. And that's why it is important here, and also good for us as users, that SONAX is a company that invests a lot in the application and material safety of its products when it comes to the development of these products. The windshield De-Icer also comes with this new scent variant and features the new current spray head from SONAX. And I really don't want to say much more about these products. I mean, we know them, we have known them for years, they are good, they work reliably, and that's why this was just a short video to point out the new scent variant called Sweet Home. SONAX, thank you for this scent variant, because it was one I was waiting for. What we don't know at this point is how long this scent variant will be available, because with the other scent variants, it must be said that sometimes there are scent variants that are only available for a year and then no longer. Of course, there are always remaining stocks that you can still get. Other scent variants appear from time to time over the years. That might be a point that could be noted critically, and it would be a tip for SONAX to communicate more clearly from the outset. This is now a limited edition, available only from, let's say, October 24th to March 25th. I think it would be good for us consumers to know this, because then we know how much of the stuff I need to get if I really like this scent, how much I should stock up at home, or should I wait, take a year off, and maybe get the existing windshield washer concentrates, including those without scent, which are also available. And then I just wait for the next variant to come, because that is something that is relatively certain. We know that SONAX occasionally experiments with new scents, although I honestly wish that this one would be available forever, because it is clearly my favorite so far. If the video was helpful, informative, exciting, and interesting for you, feel free to give us a thumbs up, support the channel with a free subscription, and tune in for the next video. Bye.